Looking for a Visio alternative for Mac? EdrawMax is the ultimate all-in-one diagramming tool. Create flowcharts, mind maps, and organization charts with AI assistance. Import Excel files, generate diagrams instantly, and export in multiple formats. Make complex information clear and work more efficiently. Without further delay, let's dive in. Hey, this is Shujaat Ahmed, and you're watching AI Ustad 2.0. Let's go to Google and search for EdrawMax. Then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of EdrawMax. Here we can create different diagrams according to our requirements. Here we can start with EdrawMax agent, and we can start with templates according to our requirements. Here we can also see our previous work that we have done in the template section. Here we can find slide templates, architecture frameworks, mind maps, scientific illustrations, infographics, and more templates. We can see here this tool makes our work easy, so we can use these templates according to our requirements. We can also use this app on Mac online, and we can also download it for free. To perform smoothly, we can download this application. Once the download is complete, let's open it. Once we open the application, here we can find all the templates. Now let's go through a template to edit it according to our requirements, and we can also fetch information for our mind map according to our requirements. We can also edit each and everything in our mind map according to our needs. For example, once we select all the mind map, then we can change the color of our mind map according to our requirements. Once we select the color, it will instantly appear, and our mind map is colorful successfully. We can also edit the text here. For example, I will change the font style and font size according to our needs. This makes this tool more powerful, so we can easily edit templates. Here we can also use AI to fetch information about mind maps. We can also add topics and subtopics in our mind map. Now click on AI. From here we can translate our mind map into different languages. We can also use Analyze Selected Shape to analyze the mind map. We can also use Analyze Current Page. Now click on Analyze Selected Page. After that, here we can see the agent is activated. Now we can ask a question related to our mind map. For example, I will type, "What is this mind map about?" and then press enter. EdrawMax will think about our query first, then it will start analyzing the image. It takes a few seconds to analyze the whole image. Once the analyzing is complete, we can see each and everything in a clear form. We can find key findings that share the core features of our mind map. Now click on New. From here, we can start with a blank drawing. We can use a template, we can create a mind map, we can create a basic flowchart, we can create block diagrams, and more diagram templates are available here. We can also create diagrams with AI, and we can also use personal templates. The best part, we can import files from our laptops and computer systems. For that purpose, click on Import. EdrawMax will support files such as import Visio file, import CAD, import draw.io. We can also import SVG, we can import Excel files, and more. Now we will import an Excel file and create an organizational chart. Click on Import Excel. From here, we can select the best option according to our needs. From here, we can select a diagram type and follow the simple format according to our needs. After that, click on Import. Select the Excel file from our computer system, and it instantly appears on screen. Now we can edit this Excel file, and we can also generate an organizational chart. For that, first of all, we will select the whole Excel file. Then we can chat with AI and generate the image. Here I will type create organizational chart and then click on enter. First of all, it will think about our selected query. After it's complete, we can see our organizational chart. Now click on organizational chart. From here, we can see the organizational structure starting from CEO and co-founder. Then each and everything is in a sequential form. We can create an organizational structure diagram of our organization effortlessly. We can also insert it on the canvas. Now click on Insert. Once we click on Insert, it will instantly appear on screen. Now we can see each and everything in our Excel file is on our organizational structure chart. This makes our work easy and effortless. We can also edit the image according to our needs. The best part, we can import Visio files and export them as PDFs according to our needs. We can also create a diagram with the help of AI by just describing our idea. For that purpose, in the description bar, I will type create a flowchart of login process and then press enter. It takes a few seconds to generate a flowchart about the login process, so be patient. Once our flowchart is ready, here we can see 4 different variations. We can also remove the AI watermark from our flowchart. Now let's open one flowchart according to our needs. Once we open it, we can see we have created a beautiful flowchart of the login process easily and effortlessly by just describing our idea. This makes EdrawMax a more powerful tool. Our flowchart starts, then we need to enter login credentials. If you put correct credentials, then we will grant access to the system. If you enter the wrong password, it will show invalid credentials. Now we can insert this flowchart on screen. Once we insert it on the canvas, we can see our flowchart. Now we can edit our flowchart according to our needs. With the help of this amazing advanced AI diagramming tool, we can generate diagrams effortlessly. Now we can export this flowchart according to our needs. For that purpose, click on Export. From here we can see we can export our flowchart as a PDF file, Word file, Excel file, PPT. We can export as Visio, CAD, EPS according to our needs. We can also change the format of our exporting file according to our needs. We can change the quality of our download file, and we can also add a watermark in our flowchart. This makes EdrawMax more powerful. Here we can find different export options. From now, say goodbye to Visio and start creating diagrams with EdrawMax. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.